sweet angels. Youth Restore Mud Treatment, all here to bring your skin sanity back to play with a fun little treatment. So last night, I noticed I was starting to develop a really bad breakout right here, and it popped on the, you noticed that pun. I put on the mud treatment and allowed it to stay on for 5 minutes, and I woke up this morning and it's now down to a little bit, nothing too major. Ever since I've been using the Skinity products, my skin's been completely just working its magic, and I'm very, very grateful for that. Pardon the crazy lighting in the background. I'm not sure how to make it any better than what it is. This is what we're gonna have to put up with for now. But here we are with all the different products. This guy, I only pop on about once a week. They do say you can use it a few times a week. But because I'm a little lazy on getting to my skin treatments constantly, besides washing my face every night, I use this once a week, and it's been helping incredibly. You just do, it's got like a fun little pop-up, so whenever you pull it up, you gotta be careful not to do this over your bed, but it allows for an install. Okay, we're not gonna do this right now, or are we? Okay, we're doing it. So you both push that down, pop that little bit up, and then you start to smear around your face. A little bit goes a long way. The mud treatment has been incredible. It's basically any mask that you've ever needed. A silica-rich mud mask made from fossilized algae that instantly restores the smoothness and radiance of your skin. You can get nice and glowy. Like, let's say you did it in the morning, so you got that nice morning dew. Its insanely creamy texture immediately melts into the skin, infusing it with powerful moisture-boosting lipids. Natural mineral exfoliation helps buff away any dead skin cells polluted by toxins, visibly improving skin's health and vitality in as little as one application. So whenever we're talking about an exfoliant for this, it's not going to completely dry onto your skin like you would, let's say, pure diatomaceous earth. Let's say you just did that with water. When that happens, it's so drying for my skin personally, and therefore I am not, when it breaks off, I'm actually peeling away. Like, I've had little peels of my skin come off before. Whereas with this guy, it just leaves a nice little light layer. I rub it in, rub it around once it's dried, and I let it do its magic, and then I do a nice little rinse off, and that's it.